In the variety handout, now we're going to look at the second activity. The second activity involves basically using the shapes feature and using kind of that insert tab again within Microsoft Word. So I'll just use this kind of as a reference here. So I'm going to start a blank document yet again. So I go ahead and set this up. So on the directions, it's going to ask you to do a variety of things. So one of them is a stick figure person that includes arms, legs, and a head. Now a couple of key things here to probably help you out with that. I will show you in just a bit. But to basically define these things, if you go into the Insert tab, and just to the right it says Shapes. Under Shapes, you have a variety of different options here, but I usually choose the one that is under Lines. And I just choose the first one here. So I go ahead and click that. Now notice I got this plus sign. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click and hold down my left mouse, and I'm going to drag it down for as large as I want to get it. Now if you're having trouble making a straight line, one thing you can have help with is if you hold down the Shift key, it'll make your line straight. So if you see, I'm trying to pull it over, but it will keep that line nice and straight. Alright, if I got those two little boxes there, now I can move it if I want to, and it doesn't matter where these things go on your page. Alright, so a couple things. If I'm selected on this, I'm going to get this kind of shortcut key box where I can just go ahead and click right away. If I want to go ahead and put those arms in. Now if I'm not clicked on anything, that shortcut goes away, and I have to go back to Insert, I have to go back to Shapes, and I have to go back here again. Alright, so I have my legs and arms. Now one of the other things that's in there, and you don't have to make your own face, is there's a smiley face right here. So I had to make that, and again, well, it didn't work out too well there, but again, I can always move it if I want. So I can go ahead and move it over. So again, basically all you do for that one is a stick figure person, including arms and legs and a head. If you want to color the head in with a different color other than blue, and that's fine. Next thing is the figure saying something using a call-out box. And that's what this is right here. It says what to say. So I go back to my drawing here. Again, this is under the shapes again. So I go Insert, I go to Shapes, and down closer to the bottom here, this is where I have these call-out boxes. And you can pick any of them that you so choose. If I choose this one, we'll try to put it kind of close here. Again, you can always move it. Alright. And so again, sometimes it may not look the best, and you may not find ones that are going to end up being the best that you want. But again, I can kind of move this line here. And again, it just needs to say something. Now if I have a large box like this, it doesn't make sense to have this text nice and small. So I can just select it. If I want to increase that text size, I can. That'd probably be an easy thing to do. Or you can make your text box a little bit smaller. Something like that. Next thing that's on the list says the sun colored yellow. That is located under the Insert tab as well. I'll let you do that one on your own. Two other shapes you're choosing. Two things to finish up with, your signature using the scribble feature. I go back here and give myself a little bit of room here. The scribble feature is under the Insert tab and under Shapes again, and this last one listed under Lines. The scribble feature basically is just a hand-free drawing. So what I need to do is I'm going to click and hold down the mouse. Alright, and I'm going to try to write my name. Now if I let up on the mouse, now I lose my drawing feature. So I can go back up to the shortcut menu here, and I can finish this out. And again, you may need some practice on it. But again, it's something just to know that the feature is available for you. Again, maybe it wasn't good enough and you can go ahead and delete it. Lastly is a text box. So let's say you're having trouble. You want to get a text over here, but you're having trouble doing that. The easiest way to do it is go to Insert. If you go ahead and on the right side under the text group, if you go to Text Box, and I usually just click on the first one that comes up, and just easy enough. I go put it wherever I need to. I go ahead and type in there what is necessary, and the directions tell you what to type. So I'm just typing my name. A couple things, and using the fill feature. Again, that is under Shapes in this case. So I can make it green, the outline a different color as well. And again, if your text size is a little bit small like this, and again, you can always make it bigger. Otherwise, make your text box just a little bit smaller so it looks a little bit more professional. That should finish you up for activity 2.